on, just a little more.
Yes!
All right, let's see what obstacle is waiting for us next. Oh no, not another parkour. Whee! Okay, maybe. What a piece of shit. Guys, I'll play this game again if this video gets 2,000 likes.
Bruh.
All right,